Alright guys, back again in Warwick Lanes doing some 10-pin practice with the boys. Stay tuned guys, got my boy Day right here. And we're doing some practice, we're putting work in. Let's go, stay tuned. Hold on. All right, Harvey. Sir. The boys, Vince injured a little bit. You'll be back, you'll be back.
On the sidelines.
Tell the people what's up, man. What's happened?
Everything is good, man. Messed up my wrist a little bit. Got in an accident when I was younger. It's been a long-standing issue, so gotta deal with it.
Speedy recover, everybody on YouTube. Say any comments. Speedy recover, my boy.
Thank you guys.
Yes,
God bless.
Been around the world with this boy right here. We just came back from Dominican, last month, right?
Last month, yeah.
So I gotta get tuned up for the next one, and then we'll be back. A lot of work, a lot of work, but we'll be back.
Over here.
Shot. Hold on. What's up, you boss? How you guys feeling?
Alright.
Let's go. Get it. Get it.
Hey. Hold on. Come on. You want something? Make it, man.
As you see here, we're just doing spare practice at the full rack. Right-handers are shooting at the 10 pin, left-handers are shooting at the 7 pin. Stay tuned for the next exercise. Let's see what's up. Got Damon's daughter right here, Sasha. How you doing, Sasha? What you gotta tell the people today?
Like and subscribe.
That's right. Alright guys, got it cooking. Probably on like 9 board, outside of 9. Alright. Lot of room there. Let's see if Jamal could get it outside of the cone. Straight up, baby. There you go. And it strikes. Tell him, that's what's up. God, those happen. Oh my gosh, who is this? Oh my gosh, who is this on the air? I haven't seen you in a long time, Mr. Lightboy. Welcome back. Tell the people what's up.
People's up, I'm here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Suit up.
Yes. Long time no see. All right, guys, we're trying to get him to go straight. So first of all, we're gonna get put your feet where it was before. His feet are too open, so we need to close his feet a little bit. So close your feet, move to the right, move to the right, move your feet right. No, close the feet. Close it, move right this way. No, that's the line. We're gonna go straight up and put your eyes on maybe like 4, right by that arrow, like right to the right of that arrow. Five board. You want to be like to the right of it. 3, 4. Go. There you go. A little bit better. All right, guys, gotta get outside here. Outside of 6 right now. The cone's on like 7, I think. So let's see what happens. Alright, it didn't strike, but The object of the game is to get it outside of 6. Alright guys, so gotta get it outside of 6 down. Outside. You right? Gotta go down. Pitch black. Ball of choice. Alright, that's about a shot. What was the move, Lemieux?
Up against ball return.
Alright. Gotta keep the cone where it is, or I gotta strike.
That was going to strike right.
Die straightest bull in Bermuda.
That's how you do it. First take 2. So Demon strike. But what you use, Demon? Scribble. I use your thing. Saw that just now.